Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to delete your YouTube channel. So first and foremost, you want to go to customize channel. Once inside customize channel, from here you want to go and click on settings. Once inside settings, you want to go to channel, advanced settings, and then scroll all the way down to manage YouTube account. Once inside manage YouTube account, you want to click on view advanced settings once again, and from here, as you can see, delete channel. Then you want to click on delete channel, and it's going to ask you to verify yourself. So just to do a quick little verification that it is you, and then I permanently want to delete my channel, and then delete. Please confirm by typing your email address. Now you can just do it by like this, and then boom bada bing, your content is being deleted. And yeah, this will take up to a few minutes, but you can just go back to your channel and just press on refresh. It's still here, but it's being deleted, so don't worry about it. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.